Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to log in WhatsApp without verification code, right? So let's get into our WhatsApp here. Now here you have to just go and click on agree and continue, and once you click here you have to enter your country name, right? And then you have to enter the number, right? So this is, you have to enter the verification code, but if you don't have the verification code, then on the top right side corner you will see the three dots. Click on it and click on link as a companion device. So you have to scan this code to use your WhatsApp more than in your phone, right? Log in into your primary phone. So basically you have to scan from one of the live account which you have, which is active, and once you scan you can use that same account on this phone too. So this is the only method that you can use it, and you don't need any verification code, neither any OTP, and you can just use it normally just like a normal WhatsApp. I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, subscribe.